Today we're doing a light bar on a Hyundai ix35 2014 model, and the wiring harness is a universal one. As you can see, relays just here, negative there. Haven't connected the positive yet. That's going to go around to the positive side of the battery. Now for the high beam, you can't use the universal adapters, so you cut off the end. And then if you look down here, this is the main plug connector going into the passenger side headlight, and the high beam trigger, which is positive trigger, is your red, right there. As you can see, that's where I've tapped into, soldered and taped up, and that is your high beam trigger. And then the earth from the wiring harness, I doubled up and put it into the main earth onto the battery, so we're not loading up this circuit, because these wires are 2mm thick, so I just didn't want to damage any control modules or anything like that. So that's it. So it's real easy. So it's just the red wire in that multi-plug going into the high beam, into the headlight. Simple. Then for the switch wire that's going to run into the cab, a little bit tricky. But this cover here, held on with two 10mm, you undo that, and the easiest way is to drill a hole through the plastic at the top, so it's away from the main harness. Then get a knife and just cut a slit into the rubber section that sits inside and poke that through, and that goes through the firewall. Then I'll show you. And you pop this glove box down, two little clips that hold it in place, and that little thing, literally just twist them, pull them out, that pulls off, glove box will fold down. Then up in there you can see that hole, the other side of the firewall, and you can reach through there and pull the wiring through, and then mount your switch wherever you want on the dash. Simple one. Hope it helps. Cheers.